Dear students, in this video we go to see scene 2, time an hour later, setting the same setting. At rise, same group is in the living room with the exception of Jim. Sarah is asleep, covered with the blankets in a big chair. Amy, Rose and Betty have 3 candles on the table. Betty is trying to read. All the children gathered into the living room except Jim. What are they doing in the living room? Amy, Rose and Betty have 3 candles on the table. They talk to each other. Okay. Betty is trying to read. Betty is not only trying to read but also watching the pictures in the magazine. What is Sarah doing? Sarah is sleeping, who is covered with the blanket in a big chair. Betty, putting down her book with a thud. I can't read by this light. How do you suppose our grandmothers ever did? While Betty is reading her book, he throws it with a thud. With a thud here means making a noise. Because she couldn't read by that light. She feels difficult to read by that light. At the same time, she asks a question. How did grandmother study or read by that light in ancient time? She asked this question to Rose. Rose replied that I don't believe they tried to read. I guess they went to bed when it grew dark. Rose replied that grandmothers didn't spend more time for reading. They went to bed when it grew dark. Amy, maybe we ought to go to bed. It's nearly 11, but I couldn't sleep a wink. Now time is 11. I couldn't sleep a wink. Who says this? Amy. Amy feels to sleep, but she couldn't sleep a wink due to frightness, due to confusion about the flood. Betty, nor I. Betty also feels like that. Rose, nor I. Listen, what's that noise? While they are talking each other, they hear a noise out of the house. All 3 listen calmly. Rose running to the window and peering out. Rose running to the window and peering out. What do you mean peering out? Watching deeply, watching closely in the dark. She couldn't see anything in the dark. I can't see a thing. It's a pitch dark. It sounded like something. It sounded like something bumping against the house. They hear bumping sound. Something bumps against the house. Mr. Peter, still outside. Mr. Marshall, are you all right? This is Tom Peters and Miss Moss, the Red Cross nurse. We are here in your boat. Now, Mr. Peter and Miss Moss came there to rescue the children. Who are they? Mr. Marshall is a member of the Red Cross, Junior Red Cross. Miss Moss the Red Cross nurse. They came there to rescue the children. Jim. Row around the back porch, you can get in there. Jim guides Mr. Peter and Miss Moss to tie their boats and to enter into the living room. Row around to the back porch. You can get in there. There is a bumping of the boats against wood. Voices. Steady. Now that I have got hold of the rail, tie her up, just like Jim guides. Jim guides Peters and Miss Moss. Jim and Amy exit right towards the voices. More voices greeting, and then Mr. Peters enters the living room with a lighted lantern, followed by Miss Moss, Amy, Jim. Now, Amy, Jim, Miss Moss, and Peter enters into the living room. Okay, we will see in the next video. Dear students, below this video I will give you dictation words. So don't forget to study and write and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, bye, see you.